Dear learners, you all are welcome to senior secondary level mathematics program. Dear learner, we are discussing about differentiation, that is derivative of different function. In our last session, we have already discussed about derivative of trigonometric functions. Now, we will be discuss one of the very important aspects in the part of we can say mathematics, also in the part of your calculus, that is differentiation, derivative of exponential and logarithm functions. First, we will be discuss about exponential function, then after we will be discuss about logarithm function. Dear learners, we are discussing about the derivative of exponential function. When talking about derivative of exponential function, you must know that exponential functions are in the form of e raised to the power something. For example, I can say that is e raised to the power x, e raised to the power 2x, or we can say e raised to the power x cos x. This is the kind of we can say exponential functions, and we are going to find out derivative of this exponential function. Remember, there is a formula in order to find out the derivative of exponential function. This formula is d of dx of e raised to the power x, which is equal to e raised to the power x, or we can say the derivative of exponential function, which is equal to I can say d of dx of e raised to the power x, which is equal to e raised to the power x. Okay. Now, we will take some problem to discuss and how we have to use that problem, that is the very important things. That is e raised to the power I can say 5x, then we will discuss about e raised to the power x cos x. So, first example, suppose I would like to take e raised to the power 5x, okay. And let first how we will be find out e raised to the power 5x. See, suppose I want to take y equal to e raised to the power 5x, okay. Now, question is what is the value of we can say what is the value of dy by dx. What will be the value of dy by dx if y equal to e raised to the power 5x. Remember, the variable is 5x, that means x is the variable, and we are going to find out the derivative with respect to x, okay. So, I can say dy by dx, which is equal to I can say d of dx of e raised to the power 5x, okay. So, we know that e raised to the power 5x, that formula is e raised to the power 5x and derivative, that means with respect to x d of dx of 5x, okay, because 5x is the variable. So, we know that e to raised to the power 5x into d of dx of 5x, that means 5x का derivative क्या होगा. We know that with respect to x, derivative of 5x is equal to we can say into 5, or we can say that is 5 into e raised to the power 5x. That means, I can say that if y equal to e raised to the power 5x, then dy by dx, which is equal to I can say right 5 e raised to the power 5x. This is the way we can say, this is the way to find out derivative of exponential function. Let will be taken another example. Suppose I would like to take y equal to e raised to the power x cos x, okay, e raised to the power x cos x, okay. This is the exponential function. Why it is the exponential function? Because the function is in the form of e raised to the power something, something means e raised to the power some variable. So, we are going to find out dy by dx, means its derivative. So, I can write dy by dx, which is equal to I can write d of dx of e raised to the power x cos x, okay, e raised to the power x cos x, okay. And you know that e raised to the power something, the derivative is ex, that means I can write e raised to the power x cos x into derivative of I can say x cos x, okay. So, now we know that is E x cos x and derivative of this one, I can say derivative of x cos x. You remember, this is the very important things. With respect to x, we are going to find out x cos x. When writing x cos x, this is the, you can take u, this is the v, or you can say this is the first variable, x cos x is the second variable. So, there is the formula, derivative of first and second का जो formula है, you already know, that is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So, that formula will be applied, that means first into derivative of cos x plus I can write cos x derivative of x. Okay. Now, what you will find? E x cos x derivative of x cos x, you know that cos x का जो डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, you already know cos x का डेरिवेटिव you know that माइनस साइन x होगा. ओके, एंड cos x रहेगा, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x का जो डेरिवेटिव है दैट इज 1, you already know. So, I can write, I can write here that is dy by dx which is equal to e raised to the power x cos x, e raised to the power x cos x into, I can write into x cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन x, I can write minus x sin x plus cos x. Okay. Again I can simplify e raised to the power x cos x, e raised to the power x cos x, that means I can write here into I can write cos x minus x sin x. This is the answer. I can say derivative of y e raised to the power x cos x, which is equal to, I can write, that is e raised to the power x into cos x minus x sin x. Okay. This is the way to find out derivative of exponential function. Okay. And similar, you can apply the same formula of exponential function in different situation, different problem based on exponential problem. But this is the formula, derivative of e raised to the power x, which is equal to e to power x. Okay, that is the very important things. When talking about logarithm function, very important thing is logarithm function. You know that log x, log 5x, log 10x, whatever may be, these are the logarithm function. And very important things, suppose I would like to take derivative of log x, इनका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? What will be the derivative of log x? Log x का डेरिवेटिव है, that formula is 1 by x. Remember, that formula is, अगर log x है 1 by x होगा. Suppose I would like to take derivative of log 2x. Log 2x, its derivative will be 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x. This is the formula, but thing is how we have to use that formula, that part will be discussed. That is, first example, suppose I would like to take y equal to x cube log x. You know, this is the logarithm function log x, that is why the formula will be changed. You remember, we are using the formula for trigonometry function, we are using formula for exponential function, we are using formula for, that is a logarithm function. Right now we are discussing that what will be the derivative of x cube log x. Log x is involved, so we will apply the formula of logarithm function. That means suppose y equal to x cube log x. Suppose I would like to take y equal to x cube log x. What will be its derivative? That means it is asking what is the value of dy by dx. What will be the answer dy by dx if y equal to x cube log x. Okay. So, now question is, when talking about y equal to x cube log x, what you observe? यहाँ पे दो चीज़ है, one is x cube is the one of the variable and log x is the another variable. So, I can say it is the in the form of uv. So, there is a formula you already know, derivative of u v means first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. That means, I can say dy by dx equal to, I can write first into, directly I am writing, I can say d of dx of log x plus log x into derivative of xs cube. Okay. Now, I can write xs cube, log x का derivative क्या है, just we have discussed, that is log x का derivative, that is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of xs cube, power formula, Newton's power formula. That means xs cube means I can write 3x square, 3x square. So, what will be value? You know that xs cube and x, you know 1x will be here, 1x will be cancel with xs cube, that value will be x square plus, I can say log x into 3x square. Okay. Now, again I can simplify, I can take x square as a common, then value will be 1 plus x square चला गया है यहाँ पे, I can write 1 plus 3 log x. This is the answer. This is the, I can say this will be the x square into 1 plus 3 log x. That means, I can say if y equal to x cube log x, then dy by dx, its value will be, I can write x square into 1 plus 3 log x. This is answer. That means, again I am writing x square into 1 plus 3 log x. This is the way to find out the derivative for logarithm function. Let we will take another example. What is the value of y equal to log into sec x plus tan x? Okay. This is the given y equal to log x into sec x plus tan x. What will be the value of? I can say dy by dx. So, I can write dy by dx, I can write derivative of d of dx of, that means log sec x plus tan x. Okay. That means derivative of log sec x plus tan x. Okay. How will we find out? Okay. Very simple formula, I can say the thing is y equal to log into sec x plus tan x. Again, suppose I would like to take very simply y equal to log sec x plus tan x. This is the questions, and we are going to find out dy by dx. So, we know that dy by dx, what will the value? If y equal to log into log, suppose x, this is log x, suppose that value will be, that is log t, that means 1 by, I can say sec x plus tan x. Suppose I have taken this is t, that question will be log t का derivative क्या है, 1 by t, that means t equal to 1 by sec x plus tan x into derivative of, I can say derivative of sec x plus tan x. Okay. Again I can write 1 by sec x plus tan x into what will be into that you know that u plus b, that means sum rule, derivative of sum rule, that means you already know derivative of sec x, का formula sec x plus tan x, I can say sec x plus tan x plus tan x का derivative sec square x. This is the formula, I just applied the formula. Then what you will find 1 by sec x plus tan x multiply with sec x plus tan x into sec square x. So, here I can take the common sec x, suppose I will take common, the value will be tan x plus sec x. Then what will be you find? Denominator is sec x plus tan x, numerator is tan x plus tan x. So, here what we will find, this part and this part will cancel. Okay. The result will be simply result will be get, that is sec x. Okay. So, I can say if y equal to log into sec x plus tan x, then dy by dx, that means I can say dy by dx, which is equal to sec x. Okay. Now, we will be discuss another part, that is derivative of logarithm function with special case. Special case, when talking about special case, remember special case means in some situation the other techniques we supposed to use. For example, if the function, if the one function raised to the power another function, for example, we have written already f x raised to the power g x. F x raised to the power g x means you see, that means f of x, that means raised to the power g of x. Okay. Suppose very simply I can say suppose y I have taken a raised to the power x, one function raised to the power another function. So, what will be, how will we find out derivative of such type of functions, such type of situation? We will be apply the logarithm functions. How? We will be multiply logarithm on both the side. I can write log y equal to log a raised to the power x. Okay. What I have done here, log multiply on both the side. So, you know that what will be things, log a raised to the power m. You already know log a raised to the power m means m log n. That means I can say x log a. Okay. Now, I will take derivative on both the side. If I will take derivative on the both the side, you will find log y ka derivative, you know that 1 by y dy by dx, which is equal to first x log x का derivative क्या होगा, you already know, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first, you will find only log a. Now, you see, that means 1 by y dy by dx equal to log a. Now, dy by dx what will be happen? Now, dy by dx, the thing is here y will be multiplied with log a. That means I can write y into log a. That means I can write y equal to, already know, a to raised to the power x. So, I can write dy by dx, which is equal to a raised to the power x into log a. This is the way to find out, means some situation, some context we have to change the techniques. Okay. We will be take some example. It will be very easy to find out how to find out the derivative of logarithm function in special cases. For example, suppose I would like to take suppose that is y equal to x sin x. Okay. Y equal to x raised to the power sin x. You see, what you observe, y equal to, what is given, y equal to x raised to the power sin x. That means one variable, one function raised to the power another function. So, we will be apply logarithm in different manner. That means I can say, I can multiply log on both the side, both the left hand side and right hand side. So, what will be do? This is the techniques. I can multiply log y equal to log x raised to the power sin x. X raised to the power. This technique we supposed to use. Otherwise, you cannot find out derivative of this type of functions. Okay. We will be discussed in details y equal to x raised to the power sin x. How we have to find out? Suppose I have taken y equal to x raised to the power sin x. Okay. Now, dy by dx, what will be the value of, I can say dy by dx का value क्या होगा? That means derivative of x raised to the power sin x. So, what will we do here? I will be multiply log y on both the side. I can say log x raised to the power sin x. Okay. you know that log y, now log y will be log x raised to the power m, suppose, then value will be sin x into log x. Okay. Now, I will be take derivative on both the side. Log y ka derivative you know that 1 by y into dy by dx, which is equal to derivative of, I can write sin x into log x, sin x into log x. So, again it is in the form of u into v. Okay. So, I can write derivative of first, that means I can write first into derivative of second, that is 1 by x plus second, that is log x, and derivative of sin x ka derivative you know that is cos x. Okay. Now, what you will find? You will find sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Okay. Now, 1 by y dy by dx equal to this much. Now, dy by dx, what will be dy by dx? You know, when talking about dy by dx, very simply I can write dy by dx, what will be? Y will be multiply, that denominator will be multiply with this right hand side. So, I can write y multiply with sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Okay. Now, what is the value of y? Y I have taken x raised to the power sin x. So, in place of y I can write x raised to the power sin x. So, the derivative will be x raised to the power sin x multiply with sin x by x plus cos x into log x. This is the, I can say if y equal to x raised to the power sin x, then derivative of y which is equal to x raised to the power sin x, this will be the answer. X raised to the power sin x multiply with sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Again I can write x raised to the power sin x multiply with sin x by x plus log x into cos x. That is the very easy, very easily we can find out if we will apply the techniques of derivative of logarithm functions. Now, will be another thing is very important things, that part will be discussed, that is suppose y equal to x raised to the power sin x, that part we have discussed. Okay. I hope that you have enjoyed learning with me, and I request you always see you can watch our regular program, that is eVidya channel number 12 for senior secondary program, and always you have to go through our login to our, you can say again you can say that you can go through our website, that is www.nios.ac.in. Thank you, learners.